Hello students! I know that you are excited to build some cool stuff with Python, but basics are important. So let's start with it first. As I told you before that Python is a programming language. You write an instruction or command in Python language, computer understands it and shows you the result or output after executing that command. Now, in the IDE, let's say if I want to tell the computer to print Phanopia. And how will I tell that? I'll drag a print block to the workspace area and I'll write whatever I want to print in this text box. And then I'll press the run button. See, it follows the command and it has printed Phanopia on the output screen. Now, let's try to do some math. Let's print the result of 1 plus 1. That was easy. Let's try something difficult. Let's calculate 2, 3, 4, 5 multiplied by 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that was quick. Also, you can see that there are many other blocks in math category. You can yourself try and explore them later. But for now, let's move forward and understand what are variables. We use variables to store data in computer's memory. Okay, let me give you an analogy. Suppose that these envelopes are computer's memory. Whenever you create a variable, an envelope is named after that variable name. When you assign something to that variable, that means you are putting that thing into that envelope. So, whenever you need something, you can just remember the name of the envelope, and once you have it, you can access the content it has. So, in technical terms, the variable we define is just a label to that memory location. We can use this label or variable anywhere in our program to get access to that memory location and the data stored there. Now, what kind of data can we store in the computer's memory? Well, we can store any type of data in a variable ranging from number, boolean, string to dictionary lists, etc. You will learn about different data types in the upcoming videos. Now, let us see how this works in the IDE. Suppose that you want to assign this number to a variable. So, what you will do is, you will create a variable of whatever name you want and then you will drag this set block, which means that you want to set this variable to whatever you attach on its right. Now, when I print this variable like this, it will show me the current value of the variable which we are printing. I can update this variable's value and that would mean the memory location is now having the new value at the same location. You will get comfortable with variables once you start using them. So, that's all for this video and you can yourself play around using these blocks and I'll see you guys in the next video.